natural solutions have emerged as a trusted and sustainable approach to restoring hair thickness and vitality, offering a safe alternative to harsh chemicals or invasive treatments. Hair thinning often stems from a combination of internal and external factors. A critical internal cause lies in the dermal papillae cells, which play a vital role in delivering nutrients to hair follicles. Please watch our informative video to learn more and visit our website to access your natural solution.